Everyone, what's going on? It's Landon here, back with another video. Today, we are fishing a bunch of rivers for some creek chub and shiners. Let's go. Got one. Little tiny creek chub right there. Very cool fish. Let's get him back in the water now. Bye, buddy. That's a good one. Alright guys, very nice fall fish right there.
Yeah, big fish.
You got one, guys. Another fish. Little shiner minnow. Very cool.
Got it.
So let's start heading back now.
This is a really neat place to come.
Alright guys, little creek chub here. Very cool. Let's get him back in the water now. Well anyways, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. We caught a bunch of creek chubs and shiners out of this creek and I had lots of fun out in nature. So I'll see you guys later. Stay tuned.